Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2016, that's not doing a single thing, 2016 Mustang GT with a Pro Charger on it. You guys might remember this car from a while ago. What's up? Oh, there's a check engine light, Alex.
Yeah, all my cars seem to have check engine lights.
Ah, what's... Well, that Mustang, that horse is good.
Okay. This one, not so much.
I'm moving your seat, I'm sorry. My rule of thumb is anything over 600 horsepower, I'm moving it to where I'm comfortable. So about 690 wheel, give or take. With the Ford, you're always on the right hand side. Forget about that. All right, so what Pro Charger is it?
So it's from ESS Superchargers. It's an ESS G3X with a 120 mil pulley.
Fair enough. And just 8 pounds of boost currently. But yeah, it's way faster.
Wow.
Huh?
I think you could beat me.
You're way lighter. Way lighter.
Yeah. In fact, I've never been in a Hellcat.
I never end up taking my car to your house. I never.
I know.
I always have something else.
My next car you'll have to because we're reviewing.
Oh God. Are you already looking at it?
I am indeed. The Alpha will be going bye-bye for it.
Oh, so this is soon.
Very.
RS3.
I know, I'll give you a hint. It's a Toyota.
GR Corolla.
Nope.
Supra? Supra.
Want to be screwed in two-wheel drive cars, but...
You're fine. What's the worst that can happen?
Yeah. But I found one black and red interior, black Sear red interior. It's a 2020.
It's odd because it's way less scary over here.
Yeah, I agree with that. I really do. I'm also not used to seeing my hood from this angle.
Yeah, that's true.
This is weird for me.
And this is a stock MT82, so before I get the comments, oh, you're not shifting it fast enough, it's a stock MT82, this thing's gonna grenade itself anyway.
You can try it first if you want. You're not gonna hook, but...
I didn't mean to do that.
I heard it.
Oops.
That's scary.
That is just a roller coaster.
It is definitely very fun. She doesn't hook with these tires at first. Sad.
Have you ever noticed it pull hard right under braking?
Yep. So the person did my alignment, couldn't get the left side toe done, or I think the right side in front. So if you can tell when you're going straight, my wheel is slightly cocked left.
Oh yeah.
And now it pulls right. So
Shut up. How did I miss second? Actually, now both of your modified cars, I've accidentally whacked limiter.
Yep.
After you specifically told me, yeah, you probably shouldn't.
You know what? That's okay. She can take it.
That was...
That's a short throw. It's my adjustment collar with the GT350 shift knob.
That was flat. It took it.
I'm surprised.
That was just bam.
I'm very surprised.
Well, now that the tires are warm, it will do a lot more.
Yeah. I figured I'd switch my wheel up too a little bit, so I went GT350 with that and the shift knob to
Yeah. Piece of junk.
Telling me. Should have sold and bought a Corolla. I have yet to do back-to-back pulls like this, and it's taking it.
Oh yeah, I never even looked at the coolant gauge. That I know it has an intercooler on it, but typically if I do that, I'll watch the gauge.
I'll just slowly creep up to.
That's
Yeah.
now I hear it.
Yeah, usually higher and higher motors. Yeah, so I got it's a G4 upgrade intercooler, so my inlet temps, I have not seen above 95. Which is surprising because I used to see sitting in traffic 150.
All right, one last one. Probably shouldn't have recorded that, but it is what it is. Where'd my stupid cover go?
Oh, it's in there.
I got it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.